M1 Finance Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. M1 Finance is a unique robo-advisor that blends automated investing with self-directed portfolio customization. Unlike traditional robo-advisors that allocate funds based on preset risk profiles, M1 Finance allows users to build their own investment pies by selecting individual stocks, ETFs, or choosing from expert-curated portfolios. It's designed for hands-off investors who still want control over asset selection while benefiting from automation. With commission-free trading, fractional shares, and automated rebalancing, it's ideal for long-term investors looking to maximize returns without constant micromanagement. One of its standout features is dynamic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio maintains its target allocations without requiring manual adjustments. This is particularly useful for those investing for the long haul, as it optimizes for efficiency and tax advantages. Additionally, M1 Finance offers M1 Plus, a premium tier that provides perks like lower borrowing rates, cashback debit card rewards, and more trading windows. However, unless you plan to use margin investing or take advantage of these perks, the free version is more than sufficient. The Smart Transfer feature automatically allocates excess cash based on your investment strategy, reducing idle cash drag. For those interested in borrowing, M1 Borrow lets eligible users take out low-interest margin loans against their portfolio, but this feature is risky and should be used cautiously. Unlike many robo-advisors, M1 Finance lacks tax loss harvesting, a downside for those in higher tax brackets who want to offset capital gains. Also, there's no human financial advisor support, so if you need hands-on guidance, this platform may not be the best fit. Who is M1 Finance best for? It's perfect for long-term investors, passive investors, and those who want a hybrid of automation and customization. It's not ideal for active traders, those seeking day trading features, or investors who prefer guidance from financial advisors. Final verdict: M1 Finance is a powerful tool for investors who want automation without sacrificing control. Its zero-commission structure, fractional shares, and automatic rebalancing make it a strong contender for DIY investors. However, the lack of tax loss harvesting and no real-time trading windows might be drawbacks for some. If you're a long-term, hands-off investor who wants to build a portfolio with low effort, M1 Finance is worth considering. But if you need tax optimization or real-time execution, other platforms might be better suited. Know what you need before committing.